Good morning, this is Dr. Fletcher with your Monday Motivation. Can't believe it's August. The month of August at Thrive, we are going to focus on autoimmune disease. We have a worldwide epidemic of autoimmune disease. In fact, over 50 million Americans suffer from some type of autoimmune disease, and we see these patients every day in our practice. The incidence of autoimmune disease has increased about 300% over the past 50 years. And what's alarming is that a high percentage of these are actually women, and the rates continue to climb. Celiac disease, type 1 diabetes, Sjogren's, lupus, rheumatoid arthritis. I'm sure everyone knows someone with an autoimmune disease. Unfortunately, if you have one autoimmune disease, your chance of getting a subsequent one is up to threefold higher. We know that there are sometimes causes for autoimmune diseases and sometimes no answer. It is felt that about 25% of autoimmune disease is due to a genetic risk, and that leaves the remaining 75%, which is felt to be environmentally triggered. That can be things from a poor diet, poor lifestyle choices, toxins, infections, stress, leaky gut. There's a lot of research going on looking into our microbiome, looking at our mitochondria, what role these plays with autoimmune disease. And in the conventional world, the treatment is often prescriptions to suppress your immune system, injectables, infusions, steroids. But in the functional and integrative world, we look at food, and we look first and foremost at nutrition, and nutrition being foundational for healing autoimmune disease. Not necessarily a cure, but helping to manage the root cause, which is felt to be driven by inflammation. There are various types of food plans that you can look at for an autoimmune program. Most of these involve removing the top inflammatory foods, which are gluten and dairy, corn, eggs, and soy. There are various twists on this. Whole30, autoimmune paleo is very strict. Terry Walls is famous for her program looking at healing her MS, and that also addresses mitochondrial function. But first and foremost, we focus on nutrition, removing inflammatory foods, supporting your immune system, supporting your gut and your microbiome, and healing that element. You can follow along with us this month. We have an upcoming podcast on autoimmune disease. We have a program that will be released that's 4 parts with handouts and all kinds of information. We'll be sharing recipes. Certainly food, again, is foundational for autoimmune disease. And we hope that you will learn with us through the month as we share all kinds of tips. Take care.